Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform a first setup on a MEDION X50. To do this, first you will need to install an app on your smartphone called MEDION Live Plus. When it's installed, open the app and here make sure that you have an account. If not, create one and log in. After that, set up your base station for the robot, make sure that the ramp is inserted and preferably place your robot into the charging spot. Then we can click on the robot inside the app, it's this one. Then enter your Wi-Fi credentials, make sure that you're using 2.4G network like I do right here. Click on next. And now we need to reset our device, place the robot into the station and wait until it says loading. Continue. Now press and hold the power button and the home button at the same time until you hear that the WLAN have performed the reset.
WLAN zurücksetzen.
So it's in German, but the reset is finished. We can click on next. Then we can open the cover and make sure that the Wi-Fi right here is blinking. Confirm it, click on next. Now connect your phone to the hotspot for the robot. Click on connect now, it will transfer you to the Wi-Fi settings. You'll be able to pick your robot right here. Make sure that it's connected. Like that. And then we can go back and it will start the setup. And it's done. We can rename our device right here with that button if you want. I'm gonna skip that, click on done. And the setup is finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.